Are you fond of Korean food flavors? Then try this fusion recipe of paneer that has Korean kimchi flavors which makes it different but flavorful. For this, I have taken big slices of paneer which is about 3.5 to 4 inches long and I have cut them into half-inch thick slices. Then just make some small slits on these paneer pieces on both the sides. Don't make these slits too deep, just small slits so that paneer absorbs some spices and doesn't taste bland. Next, we will prepare a marinade where I am adding some oil, lemon juice, paprika powder, salt, garlic powder, some chili flakes, black pepper powder, some garam masala and coriander leaves. Garam masala is completely optional but it gives a good punch to this marinade and makes the paneer more flavorful. Give this a good mix. You can add more oil if this is little dry and doesn't seem like a paste. Then rub this marinade really well on the paneer pieces from both the sides. Since we made slits on the paneer, some spices will go in and will taste really well. After rubbing the paneer with marinade, leave it aside for at least 15 minutes. Next, add a tablespoon of butter in a pan and let it melt. Then add in your paneer pieces one by one to sear it well on both the sides. It took me 3 minutes on each side to cook it well and get a little crust on the paneer. Keep the heat to medium while doing this. Once one side is done, then flip the paneer gently to cook on the next side. You can see how a crust has formed on the paneer and spices have been cooked really well, giving so much flavor to this paneer. Now take this out on a plate and let's move on to the sauce. In the same pan, add some more butter, add 2 minced garlic cloves and saute for 30 seconds. Then add in half a cup of chopped kimchi and saute it for 2 minutes. This is store-bought kimchi, so it already has some salt and spices. So we will not add any extra salt in it, but we will add some gochujang sauce, soy sauce and some honey to balance the spiciness. This sauce can be stored in the refrigerator for few days and also goes well on sandwiches. Now mix this all really well and cook for a minute or two. Then add some water, maybe 1 or 2 tablespoons to adjust the consistency of the sauce. Cook it until it all boils and comes together for a minute or so, keeping the heat to low. Otherwise butter might start burning. Now it looks like it's all done. So let's get started with plating. I'm plating it with some kimchi fried rice and some salad. Here I'm putting some sauce first. Then goes paneer which I have cut into long pieces. Some more sauce on top. Sprinkle of roasted peanuts and green onions. You can also add green coriander leaves instead. Now adding some crispy onions and some sesame seeds at last. It's up to you how you want to serve it. Hope you like this recipe and if you try it, do let me know in comments. It's a good wholesome meal for lunch or dinner. So the kimchi fried rice that I have served with paneer is also a great and easy dish to make. I have made a separate video for kimchi fried rice. You can find it in shorts. It can be easily done with leftover rice sauteed with kimchi and few veggies. I will also add this kimchi fried rice recipe in description so that you can find both the recipes together.